The Reno14 continues OPPO's tradition of sleek and attractive designs. It's noted for its slim profile, 7.42mm, and lightweight build, 187 grams, making it comfortable to hold and use. The phone comes in appealing colors like pearl white and forest green, with a new Sun and Moonlight temperature-sensitive color-changing rear panel variant available in China. A significant highlight is its robust durability, boasting IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance, which is excellent for a phone in this category. This means it can withstand splashes, high-pressure jets, and even immersion in water up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. The OPPO Reno14 features a 6.59-inch OLED display with a resolution of 12x56 by 2760 pixels, 1.5K, and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Reviewers commend the display for its vibrant colors, deep blacks, and good brightness, up to 1200 nits peak brightness, ensuring excellent visibility even outdoors. It's protected by OPPO Crystal Shield glass, enhancing its resistance to scratches and drops. The display's 10-bit color depth and HDR10+ support contribute to an immersive viewing experience for multimedia. Under the hood, the OPPO Reno14 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 processor. This octa-core chipset, coupled with up to 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, 256GB or 512GB, delivers smooth performance for daily tasks, multitasking, and casual gaming. While it might not match the raw power of top-tier flagships for extreme gaming, it handles popular titles like BGMI and Asphalt 9 smoothly on high settings. OPPO has also included features like AI System Booster for improved performance over time and AI HyperBoost 2.0 for optimized gaming. The camera system is a strong selling point for the Reno14. It boasts a versatile triple rear camera setup, 50-megapixel main sensor with f1.8 aperture and 2-axis OIS, 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with f2.8 aperture and 2-axis OIS, offering 3.5xx optical zoom and up to 120x digital zoom. Reviews indicate that daylight shots from the main camera are brilliant, with good detail and dynamic range. The inclusion of a periscope telephoto lens is a significant upgrade from previous Reno models, allowing for impressive zoom capabilities. The 50-megapixel autofocus front camera is also highly praised for its high-quality selfies and video calls, with good portrait shots. While low-light performance is generally good, some reviewers note that it could be better, particularly with light flare control. AI features like AI Flash Photography, AI Live Photo, AI Eraser, AI Clarity Enhance, and AI Unblur aim to enhance the photography experience. The OPPO Reno14 is equipped with a large 6,000 mAh battery, providing excellent endurance. Reviews suggest it can comfortably last 1.5 days with moderate use. It supports 80-watt Super VOOC fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in about 18 minutes and a full charge in under 35 minutes. This quick charging capability is a significant convenience for users on the go. The Reno14 includes Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared, USB OTG, and USB Type-C. It supports dual SIM with active 4G on both cards. It also features an in-display optical fingerprint sensor and facial recognition for secure unlocking. The phone has stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. The phone runs on Android 15 with OPPO's custom ColorOS 15. The UI is described as clean, smooth, and intuitive, with fluid animations. OPPO has integrated various AI tools. OPPO promises 4 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, which is a good commitment for long-term usability. The OPPO Reno14 is a compelling premium mid-range smartphone that prioritizes design, durability, and camera capabilities. Its robust IP rating, vibrant OLED display, capable MediaTek Dimensity 8350 processor, versatile triple camera setup, especially the periscope telephoto lens, and long-lasting battery with fast charging make it a strong contender. While hardcore gamers might lean towards devices with more powerful chipsets, the Reno14 offers a well-rounded experience for everyday users, content creators, and those who value a stylish and durable device with intelligent AI features. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.